We are not alone.
We live in God's world.
We believe in God,
who has created and is creating,
who has come in Jesus, the Word made flesh,
to reconcile and make new,
who works in us and in others by the Spirit.
We trust in God.
We are called to be the church,
to celebrate God's presence,
to live with respect in creation,
to love and serve others,
to seek justice and resist evil,
to proclaim Jesus crucified and risen,
our judge and our hope,
in life,
in death,
in life beyond death.
God is with us.
We are not alone.
Thanks be to God.